Hey guys, Marshall from Going Gear, SHOT Show 2014 in Las Vegas. We're here with Brian from Leatherman, and we're going to talk about new Leatherman products. We're also going to do a separate video on the new LED Lenser flashlights, so check out that as well. So Brian, what do you have for us first?
Today we have the Leatherman OHT, the one-handed opening tool. 154 cm replaceable hard and soft wire cutters, standard and regular pliers. Product has a lock on it as well, so if you're up on a ladder utilizing the product in one-hand fashion, the jaws aren't going to pop out.
Can you show that lock a little bit better? How did you engage that?
The lock, you just simply twist on the side of the product.
Okay.
And turn it.
And that just keeps the mechanism from sliding.
That keeps the jaws from coming out.
All right.
Liner lock product, so all of the increments are on the outside. They're not going to swing closed on you. They're also pictured on the side of the product, so if you're not using the product on a daily basis, you'll have a reference point to look at the product and know what is in each sleeve.
So you don't have to open up every blade, you can just look at it and see which is which.
That's correct. Again, some of the other features, we have a can opener and bottle opener in this sleeve. We have a serviceable slot on this sleeve. Blade built into that sleeve. Serrated.
One more.
One more. Strap and seatbelt cutter with the oxygen tank wrench.
That's coming in a few different finishes, right?
That's correct.
So this is the new one?
That's correct. This is bead blasted stainless. It comes in black as well as coyote tan. Moving into the next new addition, we referred to this product behind the scenes for a long time as My First Leatherman. This product we've officially named Leap. It has an August launch date for it. Thought process with the design of this tool is it was catered towards the 9 to 12-year-old audience. So basically it would be that first generation tool for them. This particular product will come with the blade not attached. So when the parent feels the child is capable to have the blade put in, they can simply install it and it'll become a permanent blade. The way that we have the ergonomics designed on the product, the thought is that when the blade would physically become open, to unlock it, the child would basically take their hands out of the path of the blade so they're not going to injure themselves on the unit. We also have scissors built into the sleeve, same thought process, pressing the tab to close it back up, moving through a screwdriver into the final sleeve that we have the saw. We also have additional increments in the bottom of the tool with our nicks, so you can pull some of those out pretty easily. It's also available in 3 separate colors. And again, our 25-year no-hassle warranty in the product is made domestically.
So I mean, the outside of this is plastic, correct. So it looks like a kid's toy. But then you look at it and you still have the full metal tools on the inside, and you open it up and it's a serious tool. So I mean, you have serious pliers in there, you have serious cutters, you have serious scissors, so it's nice. You know, you got something that, you know, definitely appeals to a younger audience, but you still have the serious quality of a Leatherman.
Absolutely, that's a great observation. It is a serious tool and one intended to be used. It's absolutely not a toy.
So have you guys set a price point for this yet?
We predict that product should be in the $45 to $50 retail price thresholds.
Great.
We can move into the Juice family. Juice is a family of products that we needed a refresh on. So we have anodized aluminum scales. We've also changed this plate to make it anodized aluminum, so a great spot for engraving, so if someone wants to personalize the particular unit. Another feature that we added to the unit is we changed the blade to 2 1/4 inches. It's a global standard to have a blade that you can carry onto an airplane is 2 1/4 inches. So we perceive if TSA would ever permit that, this particular product might fall within that range. A lot of the other increments, again, are very user-friendly. Bottle assist open, can opener, scissors. And the product also opens very easily. We have a screwdriver built into this sleeve. The nicks are also easily accessible so the products can come out. So the nicks used to be staggered, so they were a little more difficult, so it's a product enhancement. Juice comes in a number of different configurations and colors.
Everyone's available in the graphite, right?
That's correct. They're all available in a graphite color. We move into the Sunrise Yellow. This particular product has a corkscrew. thought process. You need that bottle of wine opened out when you're going on vacation. You'll have the product with you. So it's very feature rich as well. Very similar to the Juice S2 that we went to. This is the Juice C2. Again, the C standing for corkscrew. Moving into CS4. CS4, as we navigate through the line, becomes a little more feature rich. Blue on the product offers the best of both worlds. You have your corkscrews as well as your scissors on this product, so you just navigate all the way through the line.
But you add a little bit of thickness to it, right? A little bit of weight.
We absolutely beef up the product as we get a little bigger, just to fit all those accessories in the sleeve. The most feature-rich product in our line is also the thickest. Also has an all feature.
You can keep going. I was just showing the difference in the thickness.
Perfect. This is our Juice XE6, also available in the graphite gray. You can see that this particular product, it basically adds up all the features and benefits on the other 3 items and rolls it into one package. So the customer that wants the most feature-rich product will certainly buy the XE6.
And the Juice is kind of intended for outdoor use, maybe somebody looking for something a little bit smaller. They don't want the full-size tool, but still have all the tools that they need, just a little bit smaller.
That's correct. We actually traditionally cater to that outdoor enthusiast, but we had a gentleman that came by yesterday at SHOT Show and said that he was using it to cut bales of hay on his farm. So just when we think we know our consumer, they always tell us a different use that they're coming up with for the product.
Well, I think that's everything, right?
Sounds great.
We appreciate it, man. Thanks for showing us everything.
Thank you, Marshall.